What's poppin'? It's your boy Zillionaire. Welcome to the show. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button, man, to get all this good content. Now, a lot of people on my channel, as you see, we're starting to talk about stock, and I talk about my investments in the stock market over the past 4 or 5 months, about 4 months, and I've made a lot of money in the stock market that quick. Um, I invested 400, and I'm already at 3,000 right now. Okay, already at $3,000. And this is just one part of my stock. Now I also have crypto stock. I also have foreign exchange. So those are other stocks that I have money invested in. I made a lot of money in. But I'm gonna talk about this one, particularly at Robinhood, because a lot of you are just starting out, and I think Robinhood is an excellent app to use. You can make your money daily. You can make daily money, but you have to invest in the right stock. You have to invest in the top stock, okay? You can't just invest into any stock. And you have to pay attention when the stock goes up and when the stock goes down. Of course, while the stock is up, you keep your money in it. And as you see the stock start to drop, now little drops in the stock is not bad. But when it dips real low, I'm talking about when it starts to shoot and dip down, that's when you go ahead and sell your stock, make your profit, and reinvest your money or come back into that market when the market is back up. This is how you constantly make money, and this is how you constantly reinvest your money. Okay. Now, Tesla is one of my biggest stock right now. One of my biggest money making stock right now is Tesla. Okay. Tesla is one of the top stocks on the market, period. Okay. It's in the top 5 stock. All right. And Tesla is something new going on Robinhood, something going on new in the stock market, and it can make you a lot of money. I'm telling you. Um, so Tesla is my number one biggest money maker as of right now. The stock market can change. Okay, so that's why I say you have to watch the stock market. You have to pay attention to the stock market, and you have to make sure the stocks are up. Okay, that's why you have to watch the stock market. All right. So Tesla's one of my biggest money makers. Roku is a good money maker. Roku just signed a deal with HBO and Cinemax. So Roku is probably going to start making a lot of money, and their stock probably is going to start continually to shoot up. Okay, so I have 2 shares in Roku, 1 share in Tesla, and you can also, if you want to invest small, you also can invest in cannabis stock, which is cannabis. Okay, this company is called Canopy Growth, and I've made money in this. Okay, I have several stock in Canopy Growth. Cannabis or marijuana stock is a trending stock now. Okay, but to make money in the cannabis stock, you have to have a lot of shares in that particular stock. Okay, and look how much it costs. What, $30? You buy 3 shares of cannabis stock, or it's other stock of cannabis. Okay, this is not the only one, but this is one of the top cannabis or marijuana stock that's out there. Okay, you can buy 3 if you take $100 and buy three shares of that. Okay, and see how much, and you watch it and you pay attention to it for over a month, and watch you see gains. You're going to see increase. You're going to see profit. Okay, but the deep part about the stock market is you have to know what you're doing, and the more you invest, the more money you make. That's the trick. The more money you invest, the more money you've made. Okay. Now, I study the stock market. That's why I was able to double and triple my money in the stock market, because I study it, I watch it, and I listen to a lot of millionaires on YouTube who invested in stock, and I listen to their stock strategies. Okay. I study this. You can't just jump in this and do this. And like I say, when the stock is up, that's the best time to buy in. And if it dips a little bit, don't worry, because you already made a profit once the stock shoots up. And I must put it to you like this. Say you made $200 one day. Say Monday I made $200 off Tesla. Then the next day Tesla drops, what, $30. Okay? I still made $170. Do you get what I'm saying? So, and then suppose it shoots back up to $50 the next day. So now I'm back up 220. You see what I'm saying? So you got to understand how the stock market works. Just because it dips a little bit don't mean you panic. You have to pay attention to see if it doesn't dip all the way down. When it starts shooting straight down, that's when you get out of the stock market. Okay. Also, what's another? I invested in Walgreens. That's a good stock to invest in. So I have large stock and small stock that I've invested in. Okay. Of course, your larger stocks is going to make you more money. The smaller stock is going to make you less money, but you still make money altogether. It's good to have long-term stock and short-term stock. But if you invest in these top stocks daily, when the stocks are up, you can make a lot of money every single day. Okay, like I say, Tesla, I think Tesla made what, 100 and something, 90 something or 100 and something dollars the other day. And I had one time with Tesla where I've made almost $1,000 in a week off of Tesla alone. Off of Tesla alone, almost made a G a week. Okay, that's what really helped me get my money up. Um, so, you just got to be smart, man. And like I said, we're going to go live every Tuesday night at 8 p.m. and we're going to talk about stock. For those who want to learn about stock, this is a very small group of people who really want generational wealth, who wants to build money, and who wants to pass down generational wealth. What I do with the stock market and all the profits and monies that I've made, what I do is I reinvest that money back into the stock market and also reinvest that money back into Zillionaire Entertainment, into my companies and into my businesses. Okay, understand. Take that money that you make from the stock market and invest into your own business, reinvest back into the stock market, and you will continue to double and triple your money. I'm telling you, I made a lot of money, okay? A lot of money. So I'm showing you one part of how much I made. If I showed you everything, I don't want to, y'all, some of y'all might get too jealous. All right, some Negroes don't like to see you prospering and making a lot of money, okay? But for those who want to make money, you can invest in big stock or you can invest in smaller stock. Like I say, I invest in both the bigger stocks, Tesla, Roku, some of the bigger stocks that I have, and also the smaller stock with the cannabis, Walgreens, and stuff like that. Sometimes I invest in Twitter when Twitter is up. And when Snapchat is up, I'll invest in Twitter and Snapchat. When Facebook is up, I might invest in that. Right now, Netflix has dropped, so I pulled out of Netflix because I've already made my money in Netflix because Netflix has dropped. So Netflix is down right now, so I'm not going to, why would I invest in Netflix when it's down? Okay, when I see Netflix start to shoot back up, that's when I will enter the market back with Netflix. I'm your boy Zillionaire. We're going to go live next Tuesday, and we're going to pay attention and we're going to watch the stock. And we're going to see what stocks were the best stocks and what top stocks made the most money. But right now, Tesla, Roku, Walgreens, Canopy stock, these are some of the top stocks right now that are up. Okay? These stocks are up. And these are stocks are good investing. Some of y'all hit me up and said, you know what, thanks, Zillionaire, because some of y'all have invested in Tesla and Roku. And some of y'all sent me a message that said, thank you for the information, as you see right here. He said, I've been invested in Tesla and Roku, and I've made a lot of money. So shout out to y'all who's been listening. Shout out to all the people who are into generational wealth and who trying to prosper and get it and just have hundreds of thousands of dollars you stacking every week, every month. You get what I'm saying? And you're building that wealth. You're building your businesses. You keep it in investments, and you can pass stuff down to your kids and grandkids and all the good stuff. And you can live a healthy, prosperous, wealthy life. I'm out of here. I'm gonna go live Tuesday to talk about the stock market. Make sure you'll be there Tuesday, 8 p.m. Eastern time. I'm out of here.